welcome back to another video. So I'm just outside of my house sitting in my car, and I'm going to photocopy some materials for my student and then take them to the school before I head to my eatery. So I'll take you guys along. So I did the photocopy and I'm heading back to the school because I have a class by 10:40 a.m. and it's almost 10:30 right now, so I'll see you guys there. Got back to the school. I've given them the photocopy, so I'm leaving. Hello guys, so I left the school at my eatery right now. So I'm going to make us some samosas because we're out of samosas. We're also out of cake slices. So I'm going to make them and then leave the rest of the work to them and head back home. Hello guys, so it's exactly 4:30 p.m. and I've finished what I've been doing since. I've been working since I got here, but thank God I'm done. So we are going home straight from here. Ramadan is also tired. Ramadan, hey, Ramadan, hey. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Hello there. So I just got back home and I have nothing to do, so I'll just lie down and rest and wait for the kids to come back. I don't have any plans for the rest of the day, so I probably won't vlog, maybe until tomorrow. So bye, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. So it's Wednesday. It's 9:05 a.m. and I am going for CDS meeting. I'm already late, so I'll see you guys when I get to nysc secretariat. So I stopped by my PPA to collect my clearance. I'm still waiting for her to sign the clearance and then stamp it.
Hello.
Okay, this is Aisha, AK, and you are Hanatu, and you are Ali Abdul Fatah, aka aka. So guys, I missed CDS meeting, but I was lucky the president didn't mark me absent. So I signed attendance, I submitted my clearance, and I'm leaving the secretariat now. So I left the secretariat and I'm going to meat and fish market to buy meat for samosa and then go to the shop. So I'll see you there. Hello there. So I'm at the eatery right now and I've already washed my meat. I'm going to make some samosa filling and then I'll make some shawarma. I'm also going to make some cake slices. My cake is already in the freezer and I've already made my frosting. It's in the refrigerator. I'm not going to vlog the whole process because I left my tripod at home. Good morning guys. So it's Thursday today and I just got to the shop. I have some orders I need to work on. I'm making a mini bridal shower cake and some filled donuts. So I'll take you guys along with me. I'm making a sugar syrup for the cake. This will help the cake stay moist even if it is kept for days. This is the buttercream I'm using to cover the cake. You see how creamy it is. This is the icing sugar I use for my cakes. I highly recommend this. It's my favorite icing sugar so far. So this is the final look. I forgot to turn on the lights when I was filming. I hope you like it. I've never seen a mini bridal shower cake like this. At first I was like, I don't think this cake is going to look nice, one layer cake, but I'm happy with the outcome. I hope you have learned something today. So I have finished decorating the cake. I'm going to make the donuts now. So it's exactly 10 p.m. right now. I got back from the shop around 2 p.m. and I took a nap, and since then I didn't do anything. I just waited for the kids to come back and spend some time with them. So I'm going to bed now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, so it's Friday today and I just got back from my PPA. I was so pissed off today at school. Like, I have the most unserious student. Those students are so unserious. Like, I even felt discouraged about this whole teaching thing. I don't even think like I would take a teaching job. Not that I have anything against teaching, I just don't think I want to teach. So I don't know, honestly, like I feel so discouraged right now, and I am back home now and I have nothing to do today, so I won't vlog. I guess this brings us to the end of this week's vlog. So bye bye, I'll see you guys in the next vlog, inshallah.